Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing one device as the host. Enable file sharing and pick the folder you want to share so permissions are set correctly. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and note the host IP address. You'll need it to connect. Once done, confirm which protocol you'll use. SMB is common for Windows and many NAS devices, while AFP or SMB works for Mac. Next, set any required username and password for the share so connections are authenticated. Now connect from the client device. Open your file browser and enter the host address using the correct syntax for your OS, for example backslashes on Windows or SMB, // on Mac. When prompted, enter the username and password you configured on the host and optionally map the share for quick access. Then transfer files by dragging or copying them into the shared folder, watching the progress indicator. Make sure file sizes and modification dates match after transfer to confirm integrity. Resume or retry any failed transfers if needed. To finish, verify the files open properly on the receiving device and then clean up. Remove broad share permissions or disable sharing if this was a one-time transfer. Unmap or disconnect the network share to avoid persistent access. If you encounter problems, the most common fix is to check the host firewall and ensure file sharing ports are allowed. Also make sure the Wi-Fi network profile is set to private or trusted so sharing is permitted. If issues persist, reboot both devices and retry the connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.